What the heck? Look, the Baron Fidget. Holy moly. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here. Oh my god. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and I just reached 9 subscribers. And the new subscriber is Jaden 2. Forgot his username. What the hell? But he said his name is Jaden. So yeah. Hi Jaden 2. And yes. Come on. We are gonna do this. We are gonna play with some more fidgets. Okay guys, let's take a look at my fidget. What the heck? My battery came off! My battery came off! From this fidget. Okay guys. Okay, this guy's battery came out. Oh my god. It's lifting off my hand. Instant replay. Oh my god, this is awesome. What is wrong with this? Are you kidding me? Ew. It's really oh yeah, I actually have some 3 fidget spinners. You might have seen this one. Yeah. And no way. This fidget got rusty. It got rusty to hell. Oh my god. Do you know how rusty? Holy moly. It's so rusty. I can take it out. Take the bearing out. The bearing's rusty. That's it. No. My thing just crashed, I think. And rip fidget spinner. I can't even spin this anymore. What's this freaking problem? Wow, it's hot guy. This guy is so rusty. I'm not saying that he's salty, but look. Fuck this. That's it. I'm not having it. Go. Oh my god, it's so weird. Like, the parent just popped out. Oh my god. And put it back. That's it. Put all my balls into this. Oh, there we go. Haha. Right. Oh shoot. Oh, there. Take it up. Okay, I can't take it up. But look. And wait. It goes in front. And go back. Yeah. I want to take the bearing out again. I can't take it. I'm too lazy. And now this is the other fidget spinner I have. I said I had 7. Like half of them has gone missing and broken. This is one of them that's broken. I didn't throw that way. Or else I'll keep it in this place. And the second one was a blue and a red. No, I had those 2 were like amazing fast. Then it got rusty, got dusty, and it got then it broke. The whole fidget broke. Yeah, I think you might even be able to see it in the last videos. Maybe. And yeah, those 2 were like destroyed. Then sad life. And the other 2 was also destroyed. Yeah. The other 2 was 2 of them was side, including this guy, double-sided, and that one also broke. One other side broke, and ring got super rusty. When I touched it, it was like so oily. So I threw it away. And the other one was a 3-sided fidget spinner that actually was serving me kind of good. I got them when first the fidget spinner was released. And yeah, it just broke and it's like, yeah, so yeah, that's what happened. And I have a fidget cube, my fidget stick. I don't know where's my fidget stick. Did you guys see my fidget stick? Oh yeah, you better see that video that I made. So yeah, I'll try getting my fidget stick. Sorry guys, I'm Bumblebee speaking here. Harish was not able to find the fidget stick, so he didn't showcase the fidget stick. Now on to the video. Hey, look at what my Transformers doing here. Oh, please watch it. Transformers last night video. And from Mr. Yeah, what happened to wait, are we still alive then? I haven't seen that. I thought he died. Alright, the fidget stick. Stop calling it fidget stick. Fidget stick was my most recent fidget toy for like, I don't know, I'm not talking about it. Fidget cube. Oh my god, this ball bearing. I don't even. Why am I calling it bearing? It's not a bearing. It's a ball. This ball, right? It's freaking destroyed. Yeah, so rusty. And actually, okay, we're gonna end this video here. So yeah, Mr. Jaden 2. Go to the description below. And yeah, see you there, and I'll have to do some editing, so bye.